Hey everyone, Ed here at Wilkins Harley-Davidson. Got to admit, back in high school, I thought history sucked. But working here lately, history has been awesome. The other day I told you we had our first stage 2 bike to crack the 100 horse. Now we have our first stage 3 bike to crack 120 horse. Our good friend Paul, 17 Street Glide with a 107 Milwaukee 8. We put in the Screamin Eagle stage 3 kit along with that new Screamin Eagle ventilator and the new updated 55 millimeter intake manifold. How well did it work for us? Like I said, he cracked 120 horse. We hit 120.28 horse, and he also had the highest torque on a stage 3 at 126.62, which shattered our old mark by more than 2 foot-pounds of torque that was just set about a week ago. So it's great. We're just changing history with these new components, the great techs we have working here. So there's still time in the riding season. Mother Nature is delaying our time on the road. Come in here, talk to me. We'll hook you up with something like this, get one of our techs, and this could be your bike that we're talking about next time. Have a great day.